Hello, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech, where we talk about everything tech and fun stuff. Hey, listen, I've had this cheap headset, gaming headset, for quite some time, and I've decided to upgrade mine. So let's go unbox what I just found. So what I found was this really cool active noise canceling headset, and I'm gonna unbox it now. It's really cool looking from what I saw. It came with all the connectors. So whether I'm using it or whether the grandkids come over and they're streaming and connecting also, it's going to be great. It's made by Rumixi, and I'm going to unbox it now. So, like I said, it's a game set microphone GM300. Microphone frequency 50 to 1000, sensitivity 36 decibels, standard mic impedance 2.2k ohms, direction omnidirectional. The headphone has got a drive unit of 50 millimeters, and impedance is 32 plus 15% ohms, and it's got a 3.5 inch plug. So let me unbox it. Let's take a look at this, because I'm excited, because this weekend I'm going to be doing a little gaming. And my headset wasn't exactly, let's say that wasn't something that I really wanted to have. And according to the instructions, or the description on Amazon, it doesn't include this. But it did include it, which is basically a 3.5 to a splitter here for your microphone and for your headset on your computer. And that makes all the difference. Oh, this is nice. Check this out. Head padding, side padding. Let's see. The microphone is very easily flexible. Let's see, I can bend it in all kinds of directions. That's really, really cool. Padding on the earphones. Okay, so we have a braided cord, a dual input 3.5 connector, which you would then connect this in here. You have for your lights, because this thing lights up, is a USB cord to power it. So let me plug it up and let's see how good this really, really is. So right now I've just plugged in my headset, and as a bonus it came with the changeover. Now you can hear the microphone right now. I'm talking right into the microphone, and that's excellent. It's got on the side here, it has a sound control and various controls for the sound in your microphone. So I am more than exceptionally excited about this. So all in all, I am rating this fantastic. I mean, you saw my little inexpensive Walmart version headset, and this just kicks it up another level. I mean, and it's compatible with all the gaming systems that between myself or the grandkids have that I'm going to be able to play on. And it's got surround sound. It's got noise canceling. It's got some nice lights on it. You know, I don't know if you can see them. They're lighting up right now. Let me do this. Maybe you can see them better. Anyway, it looks really, really cool. I can finally be a cool grandpa, right? But like I said, it will connect to the to Microsoft Xbox with an adapter. It'll connect to the PS4, the Nintendo Switch. Connects to your desktop computer, and in this case, it's included in this one that I got. Gave me the free gift. I was able to connect it directly to my computer. The sound on the microphone is fantastic. So when I'm playing few of the games that I love to play, it's going to be lots of fun. So listen, I give this a 5-star rating. It's well worth the money. I found it on Amazon. So until next time, this is Casey Grandpa Tech out. And you have a great day. And please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that little bell button. Thanks so much.